What is happening, everybody? TechDadHD here for a quick video. Are you one of the people that saw the new update of the Apple iWatch coming out that you would answer the phone by double tapping or whatever you do to answer, do certain things, right? A lot of people got excited. I got pretty excited, but then I was like, wait a minute. We kind of already have that feature. So if you don't know what that feature is, if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, 8, 7, you have this feature, and I want to share how to get this feature so you're not going out there to buy a new watch for no reason, just for that double click on your fingers and stuff like that. If your kid is trying to tell you, hey mom, I need this watch because of this, don't pull a fast one like this on me, kid. You already have it on your watch. I'm going to show you how to do it and maybe save you a couple $100 this Christmas season. So let's jump into this video, and I'm going to show you how to do it from your phone, and then I'll show you how it actually works when I show you on my watch. All right, so we're going to the Apple Watch app here, and then what we're going to do is go to Accessibilities, and then scroll down to where it says Assertive Touch. So when you go here, you're going to see Inputs, Hand Gestures, on. Turn hand gestures on. Then you're going to see a couple different options here. Tap, double tap, clench, double clench, forwards, backwards, tap, action. You can go and change any of these that you want. So what this is actually doing is, with the watch, you could tap. The clench means pretty much your fist, and double clench, double tap, all that fun stuff. So make sure these things are on. And then, like I said, you can go in and change any of the gestures that you don't want if you want the clench to be many of these gestures here, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually call my watch, and then I'm going to show you that you can answer it by double clicking. So let me call my watch. Here it goes. It'll pop up. Answer, double tap. So right now, double tap to end. It's easy as that, guys. You can go through your whole watch by, I did the double clench, so double clench on my wrists, and I'm just tapping with my fingers, see? I can go through double tap to go back, double tap to go back, and then I could squeeze once and I'll go to my apps. So gang, it's that easy to make your watch. I'll show you too. It's I don't even know what this watch is anymore. So old. It's a product red Series 6, okay? So it's the older watch, it's not a new one, and I made it act like the brand new iWatch. Simple steps to follow. Make your watch new like the new one, and not have to spend that money. So I hope this video you learned something and you're able to use your watch as the new style watch, and you're about to save some money. So thank you for watching. This is TechDadHD, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.